Pecorino Romano and Pear salad. Noni and Olivia. This is my grandchild. She was my first grandchild. I have 5 of them. And you remember them running around here? Olivia, do you remember when you used to run around here?
Of course I remember, yes.
All of you, you were all lined up
We
around.
made gnocchi, I remember.
Yes. Now she graduated, she has a job, she has an apartment. So now and then she comes, Noni, what new ideas do you have for me? Do you entertain a lot in your apartment?
When we do, we're always needing new recipes, easy things to throw together. So I'm always looking for recipes that you think might be good for that.
I think this is a real good one. I know you like your salads.
I do.
Arugula, and we're gonna have some pear and some Pecorino Romano cheese. How does that sound?
That sounds great.
Okay, so cut the pear.
Okay.
So do you do a lot of cooking?
During the week, I try to make like 3 or 4 healthy dinners, I would say, and salad is often in the rotation.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And how does it feel to have your own apartment? Does it feel good?
Yeah, it's good. I feel like an adult.
I don't like that sound, an adult. I want my grandchildren.
I don't like it either.
No, you're liking it less and less, huh? You're doing a nice job, but you don't want the thing to wobble. You want it to be steady.
Okay.
And then, of course, you don't want your nails to get in. So you want to hold like this behind, and your knuckles are protecting. Go ahead.
Like that?
Yeah. Do you like fruit and cheese?
Yes, I do. I like both of them, but I never put them together in a salad, so
Oh, you haven't?
you're going to be teaching me something new.
And arugula?
Yes, it's my favorite green.
What happened to the...
Kale?
Kale.
That's only in the fall.
Oh, good. Yeah. Seasonal eating. That's the way. That's the way.
Seasonal eating.
And toss it a little bit. If you notice, I put a little bit of lemon juice in the first ones so they don't oxidize. Perfecto. So now let's get to the cheese. Do you know what pecorino is?
I know what it tastes like.
That's good enough. Pecorino is a sheep's milk cheese, pecora sheep.
Okay.
So we want to make like julienne strips. Let me just get you started.
Okay.
Nice piece like that, and then cut down the line like that, and like that, and like that.
Okay, I can do it.
Go ahead.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's very good. You think that's enough cheese for that salad?
Yeah.
Now the pears, and how much pears would you put in there?
I think almost all.
Okay, go ahead. Use your judgment.
Right?
Now we're gonna dress.
Okay.
You wanna start with the lemon juice? The lemon, it's nice and firm. You wanna kind of begin to get the juices flowing in there. So, put it here, put your hand and pressure. Back and forth, back and forth. All right, now you can cut it in half. Okay, go ahead. Okay. I will put some salt and you have the fresh pepper. Good. A little bit of olive oil. Okay. And now a good toss.
I think that looks good.
Did you want to taste it?
Yes.
You like it? Oh, okay. You know, this is a nice gadget. The tongues.
I use this.
You use that? Okay.
Makes it a little easier.
Oh, I would put more.
More?
Because that's for people to help themselves. Oh, that looks great. Okay, deliver that to the table. Now, you and I want a little plate, and you get a little plate. Let's taste this. Masterpiece here.
Okay.
This looks delicious. It's dressed just right. Here's yours. Here
Thank
is
you.
mine. And let's taste.
Delicious.
Good job. And just like that, you have a delicious salad for a meal for your friends by Olivia and Grandma.